Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Yodo Anodized aluminum camping cookware set designed for 4 to 5 people. This set features hard anodized aluminum construction that ensures quick heat transfer, saving you both time and fuel when cooking outdoors. All the pieces nest neatly into a compact mesh bag, making it super easy to carry on your backpacking trips. The durable material also makes cleaning simple and promotes healthy cooking, whether you're using it on an open fire or a camping stove. It's perfect for hiking, camping, or any outdoor adventure where you need reliable cookware. With this mess kit, you can cook efficiently and enjoy your meals comfortably in the great outdoors. Stay ready for your next trip with this practical and lightweight cooking set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.